back again, folks. Deutsche Did here. There's a mess. So I'm currently waiting for a cab at the Lakeside Casino. Smoke inside. Got myself a coffee. So trying to sort out because they did the currency exchange here at the casino. Unfortunately, there was a problem with, even though I had like Canadian cash, trying to get it transferred to American cash. For some reason or another, it just wasn't working, so I probably got to get sorted back in Vegas proper. So, because I'm in Pahrump, not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly, but now we're outside Vegas. So I'm going to be heading back to the ranch in about 15 minutes. Cab's coming to pick me up front, and this saves me the hour and a bit walk back because even though I got the proper footwear, it's, dogs are barking. So, anyways, it's going to kill some time here, not doing any gambling, just trying to figure out cash flow issues with, they probably put a temporary hold on my bank, so I got to contact CIBC back home and get that sorted out once I'm back in Vegas. So anyways, I'm rambling. Deutschland, enough.